Going for an interview? Have you prepared well? Before appearing in an interview, you should know some basic things like how to prepare, how to perform in the interview, how to sit, because an interview can make or break your application. As you all know, that first impression is the last impression. Even if you know everything, if you are not performing well in the interview, you might not get the job. But after watching this video, I'm sure that it will help you to crack your interview. Hey friends, I'm Roshni Shah from Nursing Study Expert, a place to help the nurses all over the world. I make videos for nurses as well as I run NCLEX coaching classes. So if you are new, press that red subscribe button and hit the bell icon below. Alright, let's get started. People get nervous during the interview. The most important thing to overcome this nervousness is to prepare before it and have a confident attitude going into the interview. The first thing you can do is prepare a strong resume, because resume is a thing which will put your impression on the interviewer. So you have to include all your achievements, all your certificates, or if you have worked on any projects, or your experience letters or any letter of recommendations. Make a portfolio in which you can include all the certificates, your experience letters, your letter of recommendations, and read your resume before the day of interview. Because if you have included any experience or any specialization or any project, there is a chances that you might get questions from that topic. So you can search beforehand that what kind of dress you should wear for an interview. Keep your dress ready, keep it ironed and keep it ready. For the woman, you can wear a casual suits or a casual shirt and pant. For the man, you can wear a casual shirt and pant, but try to avoid jeans. And choose some light colors like a blue or peach color or a creamish color, but try to avoid dark and fleshy colors. For even hair also, try to avoid fleshy colors. Avoid any nose piercing, tongue piercing or eyebrow piercing. You can wear a single short earrings and you can wear a neck piece if you want. And watch is a must thing. For the man, you can match the color of shoes with your belt. I feel that it is a good thing. And for the woman, you can wear a heel not more than 1 inch. And don't apply too much makeup. Your makeup should look fresh and nude. It should be like no makeup look. And the most important thing is smell good. Apply deo or any light perfume. Don't apply strong perfumes, because you don't know, your interviewer might get irritated with it. So keep yourself neat and tidy. You can cut your hairs. For the man, you can trim your beard, cut your nails short, and if you are applying nail paints, your color should be light and decent. On the day of interview, make sure that your tummy is full, because on empty stomach we cannot even focus or we cannot do anything. And reach on time, at least 10 minutes early on the time, not too early and not even a 1 minute late, because if you cannot reach on time on the day of interview, you cannot reach on the time on the job also, and no one likes late person. And after going there, greet your manager, say him hello sir, good morning, good afternoon, and ask them how are you, and show the respects. Watch your language. Instead of saying yes and no, yes sir and yes ma'am or no sir and no ma'am makes a big difference. That is what I feel. And then introduce yourself. Look confident. Whenever you are talking, you should maintain eye to eye contact, but it should not look rude. If you don't know anything, just simply say them that I don't know with polite, but don't lie. Tell them that if it is needed for the job requirement, I will learn it. Keep your mobile on silent and watch your nervousness movements. Control your nervous movements. keep your hands like this. Show them that you are interested in the job. Even if you have any other jobs on your hands, don't tell them. And when the interview ends, don't forget to thank them and say them that it was nice meeting them or have a nice day. And if the interviewers ask you that do you have any questions, don't say no. Prepare beforehand. You can prepare at least 2-3 questions beforehand related to the organization, or you can even ask for your feedback, but don't ask interviewer's salary. For example, if the hospital is a gastro specialized hospital, so you can ask like, is there any other specialization in this hospital? It shows that you are eager about that job. The most important things in any interviews are trust, honesty, belongingness, leadership, communication, and teamwork. You might get questions from these topics. Interviewer might ask you the teamwork questions or communication questions or behavioral questions. You will get these questions on my next video, so don't forget to check out that video. And most of the interviewers take decisions within 1 week or within 3 weeks. So don't forget to take follow-up. You can even mail them, or you can call the HR department and ask them, say them thanks for the interview and you are hoping for the favorable reply and excited to be the part of team. I feel that these are the basic tips that you should keep in your mind before going to any interviews, because this small things helps you a lot. So if you have done through your interview and this video helped you a little bit, tell me in the comment section below that how it was helpful to you. And if you have any other points to keep in mind, share in the comment section below so that others will also get benefited from it. And last but not the least, don't forget to like, comment and share my video with your friends.